Hello and welcome to Simple Conversations. I'm Amy.
And I'm John. We're so glad you're here with us today.
Simple Conversations is a podcast for people who are learning English. We talk about everyday topics in simple, natural English, so you can learn just by listening to us chat.
That's right. No complicated words, no rushing, just two friends talking.
And today we have a really fun topic. John, do you want to tell everyone what we're talking about today?
Yes, today we are talking about Miami, Florida, a beautiful city in the southern part of the United States.
Oh, I love Miami. It is such a vibrant and exciting place. Have you ever been there, John?
I have. I visited Miami a few years ago and it was amazing. The weather, the food, the beaches, everything was wonderful. Have you been, Amy?
I have been once, yes. It was a family trip. We went during the summer and it was very hot and sunny, but so beautiful.
Yes, Miami is known for its warm weather. Even in winter, it stays quite warm. That is one reason so many people love to visit.
Absolutely. So today we are going to share some of our favorite places to visit in Miami. We have 4 wonderful spots to talk about.
Perfect. Are you ready, listeners? Let's go explore Miami together.
Okay, John, let's start with the most famous area in Miami, South Beach.
Oh, yes, South Beach. Everyone knows South Beach. It is probably the most famous beach in all of the United States.
Maybe even the world. South Beach is part of Miami Beach, which is actually a separate city just across the water from downtown Miami.
That's right. You can take a short drive or even a water taxi to get there. And when you arrive, wow, it is just stunning.
The beach is long and wide with white sand and clear blue water. People come from all over the world to relax on this beach.
And what I really love about South Beach is a street called Ocean Drive. That is the street that runs right along the beach.
Yes, Ocean Drive is so fun to walk along. On one side, there are beautiful old buildings. They're called Art Deco buildings. They were built in the 1930s and 40s, and they're painted in soft pastel colors, pink, yellow, green, and blue.
Very pretty. And on the other side of the street is the beach. So you can walk, look at the colorful buildings, and feel the ocean breeze at the same time. It is a wonderful experience.
There are also many restaurants and cafes on Ocean Drive where you can sit outside and people watch. That means you just sit and watch people walk by. It is very relaxing and fun.
I could sit there for hours with a cold drink.
Me too. Okay, so South Beach and Ocean Drive. Definitely the first place to visit in Miami.
All right, Amy, what is our next spot?
Our next place is called Wynwood Walls. Now, this one is a little different from the beach. It's an outdoor art museum.
Yes, Wynwood Walls is really special. It's in a neighborhood called Wynwood, which is known for its art and creative culture.
So, the Wynwood Walls is basically a large outdoor space where famous artists from all over the world have painted enormous murals on the walls of buildings.
And when I say enormous, I mean really, really big. These paintings cover entire walls of buildings from top to bottom.
It's like walking through a giant art gallery, but outside. You just walk around and look at all the different murals. Every single one is different.
Some are funny, some are very serious, and some are abstract. That means they do not look like real people or objects, just shapes and colors. But all of them are very beautiful.
And the neighborhood around Wynwood is also very fun. There are many coffee shops, restaurants, and small boutique shops to explore.
I think Wynwood is a great place for young people, and really for anyone who loves art and creativity. It is also very Instagram worthy. That means it is a great place to take photos.
Very Instagram worthy. Yes, you will definitely want to take many, many photos there.
So bring your camera.
Okay, our next spot is one of my personal favorites. John, have you been to the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens?
I have. It is absolutely stunning. Tell us about it, Amy.
So, Vizcaya is a historic estate. That means it is a very old, very grand home that was built in the early 1900s. A very wealthy businessman named James Deering built it as his winter home.
And it is right on the water, on a beautiful bay called Biscayne Bay, so the views are incredible.
Yes, the house itself looks like an old European palace or villa. It has beautiful architecture, gorgeous rooms filled with antique furniture, that means very old, beautiful furniture, and stunning artwork.
And the gardens, Amy, the gardens are so peaceful and beautiful. They're formal gardens with perfectly shaped trees and plants, stone paths, and lovely stone fountains.
It honestly feels like you are in Italy or France, not Florida.
Exactly. It is very romantic and very peaceful, a great place to slow down and simply appreciate beauty.
Vizcaya is perfect for people who love history, art, and nature, all in one place. I really, truly recommend it.
And it's a little quieter than the beach, so if you want a more calm and relaxed experience, Vizcaya is a perfect choice.
Yes, it's a nice contrast to all the energy of South Beach.
All right, and our last spot today is a neighborhood that I think is one of the most unique and interesting places in all of Miami, Little Havana.
Oh, Little Havana is so wonderful. It's a neighborhood in Miami that has a very strong Cuban culture.
That's right. Many Cuban immigrants came to Miami many years ago, and they brought their food, their music, their traditions, and their culture with them. And today, Little Havana feels like a little piece of Cuba right in the middle of Miami.
The main street in Little Havana is called Calle Ocho. In Spanish, that means 8th Street. And this street is absolutely full of life and energy.
You can smell the food from the street. Cuban food is so delicious. Rice and beans, roasted pork, fried plantains. Oh, and of course, Cuban coffee, which is very strong and very sweet.
Very strong, but so, so good. It's a tiny little cup, but it has a lot of energy in it.
Yes, one small cup and you will be wide awake for the rest of the day.
You can also watch local men playing dominoes in a small park called Domino Park. It's a very old tradition, and it's a wonderful thing to watch.
And sometimes there is live music right on the street, and there are art galleries and beautiful murals and little restaurants with tables outside. It feels very alive and full of culture.
If you want to experience Miami's Latin culture, Little Havana and Calle Ocho are the place to go. It's truly one of a kind.
Absolutely. I loved every single minute I spent there. It really stays with you.
Well, that's our tour of Miami for today. We visited 4 amazing places: South Beach and Ocean Drive, Wynwood Walls, Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, and Little Havana.
Miami really is a wonderful city. It has so much to offer: beaches, art, history, delicious food, and rich culture. There is truly something for everyone.
If you ever get the chance to visit Miami, we really hope you enjoy it, and we hope today's conversation helped you practice your English a little bit.
That is what we're here for. Simple conversations, simple English, real topics about real places and real life.
Before we go, thank you so, so much for spending this time with us today. It really does mean a lot that you choose to listen to Simple Conversations.
We love our listeners, and we work hard to make each episode helpful and enjoyable for you.
Next time, we will be exploring another exciting city together. We cannot wait to share it with you. Which city? Well, you will just have to tune in and find out.
That's right, a little surprise for next time. We think you're going to love it.
Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep being curious. You are doing so well, and we are so proud of you.
Take care of yourselves, everyone. We'll see you next time on Simple Conversations. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.